sensitive, you can peel. Here we have 5 peeled small tomatoes. So you can make it 3 to 5. You'll add this parsley also. Yes, by hand.
Red pepper, this is probably from Alibaba. And also black pepper.
1 teaspoon black pepper. And 1 teaspoon red pepper. This red pepper is hot pepper. 1.5 salt. Yeah, we have 1.5 teaspoon, tablespoon of tomato paste, and 1 tablespoon of pepper paste.
Also, what we're using is Turkish paste, imported from Turkey.
This is not hot, so I will use 1.
The sauce, the paste.
Ne kadar dayanır diyor.
This is olive oil that she's adding.
So we're sauteing the onion in some olive oil, and once that's been sauteed a little bit, then we will add the fresh spinach. This is the filling for our vegetarian pide.
We're doing the spinach filling and black pepper. And this is grated mozzarella cheese that she's adding.
I will add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and we will also add about 1 cup of white cheese, but this is just in this form. If you have crumbled feta cheese, it will work, but we will need to just mash it.
So this is a very economical way of using your cheese. You don't have to use 100% feta. You could do 50% of the mozzarella. Then it's a bit more stringy. Plus, the feta, I think, is more pricey, right, than the mozzarella.
Then place them on a cup.
So that's the pasta.
This is the ground beef filling. She's just using her fingers to press down a little to make sure it sticks to the dough, and you're welcome to come up to take a better look.
Bu kadar yeterli.
This is a good amount, she said. And now she's pinching the 2 ends
Kenarlarına kıvırıyor.
of the dough. And then she'll be rolling up the sides. This is to keep the filling inside when it cooks.
Bu kadar.
And that's the classical shape that we're looking for. So with any of the fillings, we're going to just do the same thing. She's going to show us one more time.
Yerini göstereyim.
So one step that we, sorry.
No.